Okay, looks like Sergio has a question.
Yes, hello. Thank you. Thank you, Phil, for your great presentation. It's very helpful tricks to help us as every day. I actually do the calendar, the Calendly. I use Calendly, and I always try to give 10 minutes between meetings so we can finish up one and start another one. So you can go to the restroom and get some coffee or check emails or whatever you need to do between meetings. So that's the space that you need because you don't have another time to follow up on things, right? So, well, my name is Sergio Monraz, and I'm with Avit Solutions Inc. Well, we have a company based in California and Baja California as well in Mexico. And we are a technology company, an integrator that we do projects for customers and networking, computers, video conferencing, stuff like that. And yeah, so productivity is one of our the things that our customers need. So we provide the technology to do that, and that's great. And question: what tool? Or which one of your all the tools that you show us today is the one that makes the biggest impact in your workflow?
Great question, Sergio. I love Calendly for sure. That makes a big difference because I don't have to go back and forth, but I can't measure that productivity. But I will tell you, Sandbox saves my butt. 6 to 8 hours a week saves it. It works with Google Suite and it works with Microsoft 365. So it works with both of those. As always, I would always say, being a former IT guy in corporate America, I would tell you, make sure your IT department is okay with it before you do that. But often they will be, because it's not like there's actually a human being reading that inbox. And I'll give you, if you go to Phil's Faves, you'll actually get a link so you can try it out before you see if you love it or not. So it's pretty cool.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.